I could help her. She doesn't have any water. I tried putting this inside. It will just dry up. I want to help her. Look at her. So thirsty. Who's even the owner of this? They don't even give her water. They know she's so thirsty. Look, she's begging for that water right there. Kitty. Oh my god.
Thirsty. She's really thirsty.
Oh my god. That's why I was taking water. I knew she was so thirsty. Ah,
There, what do you put before first? Fresh, huh?
kitty, kitty. Ah, kitty. Mama, can you video? Kitty.
Ang sinarin guys, nakita ng pusa dyan sa kalsada.
Wala na titikil sa kanya.
Uhaw na uhaw yung baby kitten.
Oo, how siya. Wala na titikil sa kanya. Wala siyang tubig.
Halika na. Later, come. They will take that one, baby. Come here. Halika na, oh. Iyak na si baby. Oh, hold it.
Mamaya, I will take water again and I will try to help her get some water.
Okay. Say hi, guys.
Because look how much she was drinking the water.
Yeah.
And look at her tongue. That's what happens sometimes to me when I'm too thirsty. Ganyan ako. Ganyan rin siya. Gusto niya kasi tubig. Kaya nahulilagay ko po siya. Gusto, even on oral. It didn't care. Look at that. We just let it in the sun. We didn't even give water to drink.
Okay.
Who's the owner of that?
Okay.
I need to leave her.
Dala, move. Ang galit na galit si Naring guys kasi yung pusa, ilagay lang nila sa kalsada ang init-init. Tapos walang ano, ay ang daming duhat dito na rin oh. Daming duhat oh. Look. This was nice, masarap. Oh, and the puppies I cannot see like this. Now I see here. Wala nang ganito sa probinsya guys.
Mama na lang.
Si Naring oh.
Mamaya, let's bring
Doon
Kuya
po.
here so he can take. Mamaya, let's bring Kuya so he can take some.
And guys, nasamahan ko si Naring kasi gusto niya maglakad-lakad.
After that, when I gone outside first to check what.
Daming mga prutas dito. Ayun oh, parang nasa probinsya lang. Look that one. What name of that? The fruit.
Hindi ko alam.
Dami yung bunga guys. Mabayabas din.
Bayabas?
Ayun. There on the subaba.
Bayabas.
Meron din
Mama.
ditong langka.
I did fun.
Oh, dito ka anak ko sa gilid oh, may motor.
Mommy.
Yan guys yung sa surrounding namin dito.
When you were taking something, I just gone out.
Yan, dami din bunga yung langka.
What was?
Hindi siya makamabun sa pusa guys.
Nakita ko, wala yung puso. May pagkain lang, walang tubig. Di yan mahihelp yung thirst niya. Baka mamatay siya pag walang tubig. And she's in the sun.
Yeah.
She will get so thirsty. That's why I was getting some water. I was just giving it to her. I didn't actually putting my hand inside so she can bite it. I actually just putting it near the gate, near where her mouth is. So she
Yeah,
can
because
drink.
dangerous. Don't touch.
Yeah. I little bit touched her, but she didn't bite me because she wanted me to give her some.
Yan lang mama, run. Little bit run. Yan siya guys, run daw siya konti. Sasamahan natin siya para maka-exercise siya. Ayan siya. Kasi nung wala ako dito sa Pilipinas, wala daw sumasama sa kanya, not allowed siyang mag-out. So, parang stress yung bata. Ngayon na ano na niya yung sarili niya. Dahil siyempre may mami na siyang magtatanggol sa kanya. Ang hirap talaga pag iwanan mo yung anak mo dito sa Pilipinas. Kaya kahit mahirap guys, at wala akong pera. Chuchus ko talagang alagaan na lang yung anak ko. Gawa na lang kami ng something. Siguro naman makakaraos kami. Ay. Kahapon kita ko siya pag sinisigawan nila parang pinipigil na lang niya yung luha niya. Kaya sabi ko, tigil-tigilan na lang sigawan kasi hindi mo naman madadala yung bata sa sigaw-sigaw. Pakiusapan mo lang naman yan si Naren. Madali lang sumunod. Basta maayos na ano. Huwag dadalhin sa puro sigaw. Okay guys. Ayun na, nakalayo na si Naren. Hanggang dito na lang. Sigurado yung pumunta naman dun sa pusa yun. Maning. Everywhere guys, may pusa din na yan. Miming. Ay, tumakbo na.